In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct messages in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to start a private conversation the right way. First, a quick heads up about eligibility. Skool requires you to be at least level 3 before you can chat with other members. If you're not at that level yet, the message option simply won't appear, and that's normal. Levels in Skool generally reflect your participation and engagement in the community, so keep contributing and you'll unlock messaging when you reach level 3. Now, when you're ready to send a direct message, the simplest route is through the person's profile. You'll find that profile link almost anywhere you see the member's presence. Look for their avatar or their name on a post in the feed, inside a comment thread, or in the member list. When you spot it, click the avatar or the name. That opens their profile page where you can see basic details about the member and, if you meet the level requirement, a message button. Go ahead and click message to initiate a private chat. This creates a dedicated space just between you and that member, so your conversation won't appear publicly in the group or thread. Type your message clearly, give a little context for why you're reaching out, and be concise and respectful. If you're following up on a post or comment, mention what caught your attention so the recipient immediately understands the reason for your message. If you don't see the message button on their profile, double check your level. You can usually find your level indicated on your own profile. If you're below level 3, that's the likely reason. In that case, keep engaging with the community until you reach the required level, and then come back to try again. Occasionally, a community's settings or the member's preferences might limit messaging, so if you're level 3 or higher and still can't message, that could be why. A few quick etiquette tips to make your direct messages effective. Open with a friendly greeting, be specific about what you need or what you're offering, and avoid sending multiple rapid messages if someone doesn't reply right away. Clear, thoughtful messages tend to get the best responses. That's all there is to it. Click a member's avatar or name from a post, comment, or the member list, open their profile, and hit message to start a private chat. Just make sure you're at least level 3 first. Thanks for watching and happy connecting on Skool.